Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick look at this lights. They are off right now. I'm going to use the control right here. I want to kind of give you a look how it feels to be like kind of in the dark and then two lights. I do have other lights right here that I use in combination, but this is my main light. So let me press on and bam, the camera got to readjust a little bit. But once it gets readjusted, you see the difference right there. So again, love them so far. They are doing pretty okay. There are, in my opinion, for me, it's not my only lights. I do have other lights because I have a second camera that I need to light up my desk right here for product reviews and things like that. But again, I could see somebody streaming and things like that just being the two only lights and working just really fine. So again, I love the fact that they are connected to the desk. I don't want to have any mess behind here or anything like that. This is a Dazzne, maybe I don't know how to pronounce it, mount LED lights. And again, mounted means like desk mounted, so it is attached to the desk. I'm going to show you some b-rolls for you guys to see it. It could go up. It really doesn't go up that much, but it goes it's high enough for a desk. And then you have some flexibility where you could go up, you could come down, then you could kind of tilt the light towards you or bring it back. Again, I want to give you a quick demo because there is a couple things that you could do here and a couple things that I like. First of all, I like the brightness. So it is bright enough that I don't use the whole 100%. It does give you a lot of shadows, and I'm going to give you a quick look right here. I'm coming up. Again, I'm at 100% right there. That is bright. You know, I'm wearing my hat. If I don't have my hat, it's like right in my face, right? So you got 100% right here. Again, this is live. You're seeing it right there. I don't like it at 100%. I think it's a little bit too much. So I usually set anything, depends how, you know, I do have this window here. A little bit of light comes in here. So I do have it, I don't know, around 40, depends or what I want to do, right? Or about 50. Let's put it at 50 right there. You see, 50 right there, right? So that kind of feels good. It feels, you know, easy to watch. So now you have that brightness right there, but you could actually warm up the picture. And I show you how to do that. You press here, enter, and then you kind of go into this right here. And again, if you notice, this is a 8,000 right there. It's kind of blue. You see that? The picture's a little bit blue and stuff. I really don't like that. But if I go, let me go back to 50% right here. This is the brightness, 50%, and then I'm gonna go into the tone and I'm gonna bring it down to the lowest that I can, right? This is about 3,000. Again, you know, it feels like I'm burning or something. Actually, the lights here, they actually change color, really warm. And again, it just looks a little bit different, right? But if I come up, I think about 4,800. And again, you know, you kind of know what you want to do, right? So let me go to like 4,800 around there. I'm a 4,800 right here. And again, it kind of looks natural right there. I kind of look like the look right there. So again, this controller is pretty awesome. You know, you have the fact that you could bring up the brightness, you could play with the warm, how it looks. So once you set it up, you have a couple different choices that you can do. Obviously, guys, the lights are here and here. Obviously, you could tilt in, you could bring them back. They do have a cable that is connected. So again, back here, I have an extension cord and they are connected. So when I come here into my desk, I turn my power switch on, I press on, and bam, the lights are on. Very convenient. So again, over a week with this lights already, I've been using it a lot. I've been streaming a lot. So far, I'm pretty happy with it. And again, so far, it's doing their job.